Saksihan naman natin ang kapangyarihan ng kababaihan sa katauhan ni Gregoria de Jesus sa kauna-unahang P-pop musical sa bansa, ang Gregoria ng Pambiki, a Pinay pop musical. Kasama si Mary Nor, madami sila. Ang Tanghalang Filipino Actors Company at sa pakikipagtulungan ng Flip Music Production Incorporated.
Musical brings to life the remarkable journey of Gregoria de Jesus. This new musical traces Oriang's quiet but relentless fight for her family, for her country, and for her place in history. Her voice, once written in the margins, now leads the song. Written by Nicanor Tiongson and LJ Castro Deldoc. Music by Nika Del Rosario and Matthew Chang. Direction and co-choreography by Delphine Buencamino. Featuring Mary Nor Madamisila and the Tanghalang Filipino Actors Company.
Hindi to fairy tale. This is her story.
Kasaysayan,
Kaligtahan, kapangyarihan, kababaihan. Ako, si Gregoria Lahambi. G to the R to the E to the G to the O R I to the A. G to the R to the E to the G to the O R I to the A. G to the R to the E to the G to the O